Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Nomad Shift and we are back with another episode. So another episode is going to be Thimappana Betta. So Thimappana Betta is around 70 kilometers from my house. It's a one-day good ride. So you can quickly see that I have changed my tire, the back tire. And when I was riding, it was actually a little bit slippery because of the road and it did not even break in. And second update is my so-called Barkbuster very genuine product is broken. I only have the bar right now. I don't have the plastic guard on the left side. So yesterday when I was coming out of the house, it just got stuck to the gate and it just shattered like pieces. But the plastic quality is really good, guys. So I'll be putting one more today. You can see the nature is amazing. It's raining. Sorry, it's not raining actually, it's drizzling and it's foggy as well at the same time. The ride is going to begin officially from here. So there are some GSA, CBR 650R and another bike that just went by, and we have Z800 Himalayan and an RC390. It's time for us to en route towards Thimappana Betta. So it is definitely going to be a slow ride today because it's raining and you cannot expect to ride faster in the rain. It's going to cause a bit of a hassle as we do not have any rain gear or riding gear on. We have to be self-cautious that we are not wearing either of it. I'm really happy on one side because it was long time that I really wanted to do a rainy ride or a monsoon ride. Now I have got the chance to do that, but I did not expect it would keep drizzling and raining and drizzling and raining on the nice road itself. So just one prayer from my side to the God that I don't want my DJI to shut off because of the short circuit. Why I'm saying that is because I'm using the lavalier microphone, so that is exposing my internal USB-C type, and if there is a water droplet that is going on and short circuiting it, I'm done. There is no more camera. But yeah, risk hai to hisk hai bhai, hai na? Oh shit, here we go again. Alright guys, you can see there why it is called as Thimappana Betta. So the rocks which are standing like that, right, those are the rocks that are symbolic for Thimappana Betta. And yeah, you'll see some exclusive footage and hope you will love it. If you love it, do smash that like button, hit that subscribe button for more motovlogs like this. And yeah, we'll go closer to that. We'll see how better it is going to get. So there is this viewpoint as well. we just have a broken lens. Because of the wind, the helmet started rolling over. The lens is broken. Luckily, when I'm recording, the broken lens is not visible. So at least we can change this top part. It did not break here or the behind screen. Everything else is fine except this one. Too windy, guys. Too windy. Hey guys, so done with the good viewpoint, and you might have seen such a good drone shots and everything like that. So a quick update, if you are seeing that my glass is broken, or if you are seeing anything like that, you can actually see it is broken because there was a strong wind that came all of a sudden, and helmet just tipped over and started rolling to the downhill. I had to run. All my entire adrenaline pushed in, so I have ran like anything. So it was quite a while that I ran, and I ran like anything to catch my helmet. It started rolling over. It rolled twice. If it had rolled thrice, right, it would have already been down the mountain. Kids got excited. We were also like that itself, right? Once upon a time when we were in school. That uncle was like, honk for life. It's do or die. I'm going to honk. Alright guys, so we had biryani and now we are going back to home. I'll quickly tell what is the cost of this ride. It is just 1,200 rupees for all three of us. It was just breakfast, lunch, that's it. So Thimappana Betta along with the fuel. So fuel cost will be around 400. So 1,200 divided by 3 plus 400 per person. 400, 500, 600, 700 rupees. So to enjoy one short ride, it's 700 rupees. So we have successfully completed our ride as of now. Until now everything was quite good. We took nice videos, you guys might have seen, and as I was saying, the price of this ride was just 700 to 750 rupees. I mean, if you can reduce that price to 500 rupees also by not eating biryani or something like that. So my actually chain feels a little bit dry because I did not lube it for quite some time now. I have to go and wash the bike and then lube the chain. Lubing chain is very important process, guys. Just remember, if you are feeling that jerkiness in your chain and you feel like somewhat it is, even when you are accelerating, if you are able to hear some sound from chain like kata kata kata, that's when it is meant to be lubed and cleaned and lubed. Remember that, because it's one of the important process for chain to not snap in the middle of the ride. Why not do my chain cleaning and lubing so that you guys will get to know what exactly I do. So currently I'm using Glossil chain cleaner and chain lube both at a time. Now currently I have to clean my chain and lube it. So before that I have to use the T-spanner to remove this portion. So I always do this whenever I am lubing the chain or cleaning the entire bike, right? I'll just remove this and remove all the dirt which is stuck near the sprocket. So you'll get this directly outside and you can see a lot of dirt is stuck over all here and over there. Not going to touch it directly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some chain cleaner because most of the dirt will eventually get released. You can see I just pushed a cloth and the dirt just started falling off. Just be careful not to stick your fingers
under the sprocket teeth, both the sides. I did once and I regretted. I don't know which finger it was. I think it should be this one. I just held the cloth like this and started turning and my finger got stuck. I warn every one of you just to be careful while spraying the lube. Just don't stick your fingers near the sprocket. Once done, let it sit for at least 3 or 4 hours so that the lube is going to sit there and it is not going to get removed. Don't ride immediately as soon as you put the lube.
Alright, finally we are back to the nice road and we are going towards the house. Once we take all this curve, we'll be on the nice road and we can easily cruise for another 15 kilometers and we'll reach Bannerghatta. Okay guys, if you did enjoy this vlog, this video and our ride towards Thimappana Betta, do smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be ending my vlog here. Thank you, take care, have a lovely day guys, bye bye.